Are you ready?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. After a very long time, you guys will be wondering that why am I not uploading lecture video. Because of some technical issues I was not able to conduct the lecture videos, but now inshallah we will continue our CSS journey, and in a week I will upload 2 or 3 lecture videos of our website development. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the CSS positioning, and in today's lecture video we will going to talk about CSS flag project. Basically today lecture is about a project which is known as CSS flag project. So let's begin. Okay, so our in today's lecture there is not much work of our paint, but we need to know the 3 main points for the CSS flag project. So basically a CSS flag project is a project where you build a flag design using only CSS, a country, like a country or your own flag, or a symbol of any tech company or any industry that you can build through CSS. These all you can make through helping CSS. So without CSS you cannot design any flag. So now we will go at the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I am here in the Visual Studio Code, and I have copy paste the CSS flag project that I have given in our WhatsApp community. You have to copy from there and paste it at here. And when I click this file, it contains some 3 folders. First one is the goal, second is the index.html, and third is the solution. So when I open the goal, our main goal is to build a flag, a colorful flag of your own method, of your own interest. So the second one is the index.html, where you have to apply all these colors. And third is the solution. You don't have to copy from here and paste it at here. You have to make your own flag by using CSS. So there are some important key points that you have to remember: that do not change any HTML and do not add any classes, IDs, element. Your only work is that you have to apply colors and you have to apply elements. Like for example, there are two hints that the flag is 900 px by 600 px and the circle is 200 px by 200 px. Like these are the hint 1, and you can use CSS inspection to get the color. When I scroll down here, you can find all these hints, like the height is 200 px, the width is 200 px, and the left, top, right, border, background color, and front color, front size. So you don't have to copy from here. You have to apply CSS and make your own flag. So for example, I have made my own flag, that Park Web Studio, and between the circle I have written web dev, like web development. So when I start debugging on it, so it contains this, and when I right click and inspect it, so you can see that here all the margin, the padding, and the border I can see. Like the between the center, like the whole, the flag contains 795 multiplied by 600, and the padding is 0, border 0, but the margin they are 8. So you can see from here also. So these were the some points that you have to remember while making your own flag. I hope you have understood today's lecture video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are facing any difficulties related to any lecture video, you can comment down below on that video and I'll answer your comment and solve your problem. And if I not able to answer your question, so you can also comment down below on my LinkedIn account that I have given down in the description box. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.